You'll be surprised at every winery's door that you open when you come to the Tualatin Valley. Different stories and different experiences.
You can have great wine, but if you don't tie it with a great experience, you're just not gonna capture that moment that kind of wine brings you to.
Well, my philosophy is to make the best wine that I can, but I know that my tastes are different from even Nick's tastes, from our customers' tastes. And so much of what somebody likes about a wine is in the varietal of the wine. You know, we get people all the time that say, I don't like such and such varietal. And so that's the challenge for me, is to get everybody to see the beauty of that one varietal, but definitely finding something that everybody can like, which is why we make such a broad variety, from delicate Pinot Noirs to 100% new oaked Cabernet Sauvignons. I love the food pairing with wine. All the different layers of foods and pairings are so interesting with the layers of wine, whether it's a white wine or a red wine that's been put in new oak or neutral oak. And so we very much love it here. We do a wonderful meat and cheese platter that is designed to pair with our wines. So when we have aged wines, we have really awesome aged cheeses. Many of the wines that we make originated from Europe. The Syrahs, the Pinot Noirs, the Malbecs, the Carmeneres all originated from France. And so having, you know, some of that, that foreign influence in the food pairings is definitely very important for us. And there's just so many different options with wine. It's just fun. Coming to the Tualatin Valley, there are just a number of excellent wineries and wine tasting experiences.
Cheers.
Cheers.